Hello all and welcome to another vocabulary practice video. Let's learn some nouns and phrases. Vehicle. A machine that you travel in or on, especially one that travels on roads. For example, cars, buses, motorcycles are all vehicles. Rubbish. This is rubbish. Things that we throw away because they are no longer useful. This is a rubbish container, and we usually carry rubbish in rubbish bags. Notice the difference between the words rubbish and litter. Litter is another uncountable noun that it is used for rubbish, but litter refers to rubbish on the ground, things such as pieces of paper or cans of beer that people have dropped on the ground in a public place. You may have seen the no littering sign at parks or on the beach, and at these places there are usually litter bins, containers for litter in public places. And of course, in public places we can also see recycling bins. Recycling is the process of changing waste materials so that they can be used again. Footprint. Literally, a footprint is a mark made by a human or animal foot, especially in a soft surface such as sand. Metaphorically, however, footprint is the impact that each one of us has on the environment in which we develop. We should keep in mind that individual actions are very important. We can either harm the environment or try to protect it. Unfortunately, there are many things we do for fun that are bad for the environment. For example, attractions that we love, like rides, shows, and games, or facilities like roller coasters and arcades. Luckily, although amusement parks consume excessive amounts of energy, there is always the concept of conservation. Conservation, the careful use of energy, water, and other resources so that they are not wasted or lost. Time for you to repeat. Vehicle. Vehicle. Rubbish. Rubbish. Litter. Litter. Recycling. Recycling. Footprint. Footprint. Impact. Impact. Individual actions. Individual actions. Attractions. Attractions. Facilities. Facilities. Conservation. Conservation. Do something for fun. Do something for fun. Excessive amounts of energy. Excessive amounts of energy. See you next time. Thanks for watching.